Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today we got a fun one for you, and what I mean fun one, this is fun for everybody. It's going to be fun for me, really fun for me, going to be fun for you guys because you guys are going to get to see this. But this is going to be the first time our channel has ever gotten to break to you guys an unboxing of a next-gen GPU. That's right, it's here. We've got our hands on it. We've got an RTX 3080. We've got the Zotac Trinity Gaming Edition. What? Are you guys kidding me? You guys see that, right? It is in hand. You guys know how crazy hard it is to get one of these, any of these things. And that's right, we've got one. We have a Zotac Trinity 3080 unboxing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to break that down. We're going to kick this thing open. This thing is pack fresh, as we like to call it. It has not been opened. A lot of people had issues trying to secure these, just like you, just like me. We all fought the bots. The bots won. Lots of different places that, me and you tried to secure these things. Well, in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to have a link to a video so you guys can kind of see how we secured this. That's right. We've got a Zotac 3080 Trinity. We're getting ready to unbox that. We're really excited because here in just a little bit we're actually going to be going live later on tonight. That's right, we're going to be live. Currently we're at our remote garden location. But yeah, we're going to go live with it. We're going to be mining on it. It's going straight to a GPU mining rig. HIVEOS. Can't wait for that. We're going to be mining some ETHEREUM. See if we can crack that 100 mega hash per second with this Zotac Trinity 3080. But so that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about this unboxing. So we do have a Zotac Trinity RTX 3080, as we like to say. This thing is pack fresh. This thing has not been cracked. We're going to crack the seal for you. Here's the back of the box. This thing is heavy, and when I mean heavy, this has got to be the heaviest GPU I think I've ever held. This box is pretty sweet. But like we said, this is a pack fresh RTX 3080, and we're going to go ahead and crack the seal. You can only do this once, so I cannot believe that we're going to go ahead and do it. Here we go. And it is not new anymore. It is packed. We have cracked it. So here you guys can see, once you crack the box open, comment down below, guys. Tell us what you think about this. Was this one of the ones that you wanted to get? Did you want to try to secure one of these Zotac Trinity 3080s, these RTX 3080s? Did you fight the bots? Did you get one on opening day? Were you able to secure one through places like Best Buy, NVIDIA, B&H Photos, all sorts of places? Were you able to get one? If you guys like this kind of content, you better give us a thumbs up. That way other people can kind of see it. If you're new to the channel, you better hit that subscription bell so that way you can keep up with our latest and greatest. This is a pretty great one for you. Like I said, guys, we have never, ever, ever been able to break to you guys a unboxing of a new gen GPU, and we've finally been able to do it. We had to go through all sorts of crazy stuff to secure this thing. And I mean, when I say crazy hoops, all sorts of crazy hoops. So our channel, we focus on a lot of different things. On the mining side, we do pool tests, miner program tests, how-to videos. We'll show you how to set up these GPU things, solo mining, all sorts of fun stuff. But once again, we've never been able to bring to you guys an unboxing, and we have a unboxing here of a Zotac RTX 3080 Trinity here. Now, I do want to say a big shout out to people in the community. I know people like Nemesis and Nefarious Technology. They waited out this last week to try to secure some 3090s, and they were at two different micro centers, and they thought that there was like 15 at each. I think there was only 3 or so. Not a lot of these things. As you guys know, I've broke it to you the night before that these things were sold out beforehand. Production is super low, and when I say production is super low, you will not see a lot of these, I think, before Christmas, and even then. They just had the 3090s come out. There was no production there, so they can't be making 3080s and 3090s. They're going to release the 3070s in October. There just is not much stock of these. I don't think the parts are around because of COVID. But man, here we go. Let's get a little bit farther. Like I said, comment down below if you like this kind of stuff. Give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you better hit that subscription bell. We're going to go a little farther here into this RTX 3080. This is a Zotac Trinity model. If there's a representative from Zotac out there, I'd really love to talk to you guys. You know, we love doing this kind of stuff. We're going to really have some fun. We've got count it two, so that way one can get in our gaming, editing, mining rig, so we can show you guys all sorts of fun stuff as far as that goes. We're going to do some benchmarking on some gaming. That's new for the channel. But yeah, we're cracking this RTX 3080. This thing was pack fresh. Got to send a big shout out, thank you to the gentleman on eBay. Good communication for this one. Getting it here, this is so awesome. So we're going to get a little bit farther here, see what we can come across. Oh man, this thing's pretty, by the way, folks. So we're going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can see this. And once again, we're going to crack this RTX 3080. But that's how you see it when you get it here. We'll crack this open, and man, the pretty colors, all the lights, guys. You guys see this? So amplified. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this. I know there's some people that have to have some of these other models. As far as mining goes, I know it's probably going to struggle because we've got not new drivers and such. I mean, nobody's got their hands on these things. But yet, here it is. Here's one of two. So here we go. Definitely, you guys got to keep an eye out. We're going to have in the link down below. We're also going to have a link to that live stream that we're going to do for you guys tonight. Live, like I said, live. We're going to be doing some GPU mining testing with HIVEOS. Down the stream, we're going to be having some benchmarking. We're going to be testing with Awesome Miner. We're going to benchmark everything, though. We're going to do MTP. We're going to do that Kapow. Of course, you know, ETHEREUM, ETHASH. All sorts of different things. We'll probably mine some Aeon as well. So we're going to get you all of those hash rates on this beast. We've got the kilowatt set up. Lots of great things. So they send us some connectors here in the box. We better put that in because I want you guys to see just how it came. Like I said, this is our unboxing of the Zotac Trinity 3080. There it is. This thing is heavy, but it does come with a couple connectors right here. And there it is. Everything's out of there, so we're going to go ahead and set that away. But hey, comment down below. Tell me, did you guys, what was the one that you wanted to get? Initially, this was definitely the one that we were looking to try to secure. I've had some Zotac 1080 Ti's, and they were great. They looked great too. I'm a huge fan of RGB. You know, we've got that RGB gaming editing mining rig. So one of these in there is going to be pretty as well. But here it is. We're just about to it, guys. We've been talking with you about our unboxing of the RTX 3080. This is the Zotac Trinity model. You guys are seeing it just as me. I hadn't cracked that open. That thing is pack fresh. Oh, this is so awesome. But once again, we've never been able to bring you guys this kind of stuff before to the channel. This is breaking stuff. I don't know many people that have content out quite yet on this. Comment down below. Do you see that? That is a GeForce RTX 3080. And this is the Trinity, Zotac Trinity model. This thing is a beast. Look how thick this thing is. Holy cow. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this. There it is. There's going to be a lot of RGB there. Here's that back plate. But that's what we're showing you guys here is this unboxing of this Zotac Trinity, the RTX 3080. I cannot wait to get some mining on this. The fans are big. I mean, the heat sinks are big. You got some nice pipes in there. We're going to put this thing through the test. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like this kind of stuff? I mean, this thing's as big as my face. If you guys like this stuff, you better comment down below. Tell us why. That way we can keep up and keep up with this new age stuff, so you guys can see these unboxings and these testings and stuff, because that's what we do. Zotac, if you're out there, NVIDIA, anybody, I'd love to talk with you. We love doing these kinds of things. We love doing benchmarking as well. We really can't wait to get doing that. If you guys are, you guys are in the community, we really cherish that. Comment down below. You guys help with great content ideas and all of that good stuff. But this is an RTX 3080, the Zotac Trinity model, and we have unboxed it here for you. Let you guys kind of see here. I'm 6'3", so that kind of lets you guys see. I don't even know if that's going to fit in the case or not. Here is the GPU mining rig that it's going to go in. right over here. So once again, we're gonna finish this unboxing. But this thing is huge. This thing is massive. Really appreciate your guys' time. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're new to the channel. You better give us that subscription. If you didn't like this stuff, well, comment down below, tell me why. Once again, gamers, I did not do this. This thing does have two 8-pins up here for powering it, just so you guys know. Two 8-pins, there you go. There you can kind of see a little bit better. So that's how we're going to power this. Your guys' power supplies need to be at least 750 watts if you got a gaming rig. If you're putting multiple of these in a mining rig, which, hey, we got the ability to, you know, you're going to need some heavy hitters. This is going to go on a ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard, and we've got a EVGA fully modular 750 watt power supply, and just this, so we've got no problem powering it. But yeah, we've been giving you the unboxing of the RTX 3080 Trinity. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.